Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by adding the card to your Apple ID so purchases draw from that balance. Open the App Store and tap your profile, then pick Redeem Gift Card. You can scan the physical card with the camera or type the code exactly, including hyphens. Once done, make sure the displayed amount matches the expected dollar value before confirming. If you use a Mac, go to the App Store menu and redeem for a similar flow. This links the balance to your Apple ID for immediate use. You now use the balance across Apple services. It applies automatically at checkout. Choose the app, subscription, song, or media you want and tap Buy or Subscribe. Apple charges your Apple ID balance first before any other payment method, so you don't need to switch cards manually. Once the payment completes, go back to your profile and view your account to confirm the remaining balance. If the item costs more than the balance, you'll be prompted to add a payment method to cover the remainder. Finish by verifying purchases and keeping receipts for records. You can't split the balance across Apple ID, so ensure you're signed into the intended account. If a purchase is declined, confirm your billing address, expiration dates, and that subscriptions aren't pending. Then retry. If the redeemed amount doesn't appear or the code shows invalid, make sure you entered characters correctly and that the card hasn't been used. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the card details. They can trace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.